everyone, welcome to my channel Budget with Bree. I'm Bree and today we're gonna have a quick video. We're just gonna be stuffing my wallet and the cash envelopes inside of my wallet with my expenses for the next 2 weeks, week and a half. So let's get started with that. All right, so I have my iPad off to the side here. And this is just basically using the budget book that I created, and these are my personal cash envelopes except for the public transportation here, which is going to stay in my bank account, which is why it's highlighted blue, but we're going to stuff everything else today. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll just update the balance. All right, so altogether today we're going to be stuffing 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $200. We were originally going to be stuffing 220, but I actually had to get some gas, so I already used 20 of this from this pile. So this is my wallet. I'm currently using the Louis Vuitton zippy wallet, and I've customized my wallet in a way so that I can have cash envelopes inside of them. And I did this, I was inspired by So Crafty Sana. On her YouTube channel, she shows how she creates or she converts her Louis Vuitton wallet for her cash envelopes. So if you're interested in that, be sure to check out her video on how to do this. This was an old zippy wallet and I kind of just cut it. It came in an accordion style like this, so it didn't open fully, but I actually ended up cutting it, adding in the binder rings, and then creating my envelopes to put in here. So this is what I've been using. So I currently do not have anything left, like literally anything left. So we will not be putting anything in our rollovers envelope for the stuffing, but I do have a lot of receipts here in which I'm gonna be scanning and uploading into Fetch. If you don't have Fetch, I will put the prompt on the screen or link it down below so that you can use my code. But essentially you just scan all of the receipts that you have, and you can get rewards points, which you can redeem for like different gift cards and stuff at different stores that you like. So that's that. So we're gonna start with personal. So for personal, we're gonna put $100 in personal, and it's gonna be in all 20s. So we're gonna do 2, 4, 6, 8, 100. And I like to just keep it in 20s instead of just doing a bill, because if I need change, I kind of have everything broken out in 20s. It says personal. I'm putting it in my shopping envelope because essentially I'm gonna be using it on whatever I want to use it on. So I just didn't create a new envelope that says personal. So our balance in here is gonna be 100. Next we have food, and food we're gonna put $50. So we're gonna put 20, 40, 50. So it's gonna go in food. So that's that. In car, like I said, before I stuffed this, I actually ended up using some of this money. So I'm going to put 20 in instead of 40. I'm just gonna say 40, but I just spent 20 because there was supposed to be 40 stuffed in here. Miscellaneous is 10 and offering is 20. So I'm just gonna put, I don't have an offering envelope, so I'm just gonna put everything in miscellaneous, and I'll just know that when I give my offering, I can pull money from this. So that's $30 in here. And then lastly, we have this payback envelope. So essentially this envelope is for anything that I purchase online that I have the cash for. I'll just put it in here, and then whenever I go back to the bank, I'll just give myself back the money. that I spent. All right, so that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the 10 and the 20, and that's it for my cash envelopes. You guys, I had to come back in and add another clip to this video because I totally forgot to put money in my groceries envelope. So anyway, groceries is supposed to get $100. Originally this had $200, but I did do some grocery shopping already before I stuffed my envelopes. And I spent $100, so I'm just putting the other $100 back in here, and we're just gonna pop this in to my wallet here. And now we're done for real. Thank you all for watching this quick video. I will make another video on me stuffing my sinking funds and my bill binder, so stay on the lookout for that. And thanks for watching. Bye.